Hey, it's your girl, Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to the village at Reedy Creek, a charming new townhome community by True Homes, right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Just 25 minutes from Uptown Charlotte, you will enjoy the best of both worlds. Easy access to the city's vibrant culture, dining, and entertainment, while being only 12 minutes from Harrisburg, with even more shopping, dining, and recreational options. Plus, you are just minutes from the beautiful Reedy Creek Park. This community also features thoughtful amenities designed for your lifestyle. Take your furry friend to the dedicated dog park or enjoy a peaceful walk along the scenic community trail. Now, let's talk about this Myka townhome. A flexible floor plan priced from the low $327,000 to $330,000. It offers over 1,400 square feet of well-designed space with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an oversized one-car garage. The monthly HOA fee is $200, giving you access to the amenities and hassle-free community upkeep. The first floor welcomes you with a cozy covered porch, functional entryway, and that oversized one-car garage. Upstairs, the second floor opens into a spacious great room, a casual dining nook, and an open deck, perfect for entertaining or just relaxing outdoors. On the third floor, the primary suite offers comfort and privacy, while 2 additional bedrooms and a second full bathroom provide that flexibility your family needs. The Myka floor plan is truly a home that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a growing family, or simply ready to downsize. So, if you would like more information about this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this home tour, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this floor plan. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.